Yes. Yes, Mihira's mom, please go ahead.
Uh, yes. So, I would like to mention first of all that we were a bit skeptical to take the admission for Nihira because she is just 2 years old. We were not sure whether she will sit down, whether she will even listen to even a sentence in the school. So we had quite bit of a discussion at our home. We discussed a lot with you. I guess I called you 2 to 3 times. Then I had
Yes.
lots of chats with you on WhatsApp. And I would like to admit that I'm very happy that I took a decision to take admission for Nihira. She is enjoying a lot, and I can see small, very gradual changes in her, positive changes. So when the school starts, first of all, she's very excited to go to school. We can even blackmail her to make sure that she follows our instructions, to make sure that she keeps her mood. She drinks water. Sometimes we blackmail that if you don't eat your meals or if you don't drink water, Sonia teacher won't allow you to go to school. Then she listens immediately. She is excited to go to school, and when the prayer starts, first for first 2 3 days she did not understand the word prayer or what she is supposed to do, because in our house we speak Marathi. So but in 3 4 days she has started understanding what prayer is. And when Sonia teacher starts the prayer, she folds her hand, she closes her eyes for just a few seconds, but she is understanding the instructions and she's trying to follow. Again, for her age, her the concentration is very little, so I don't expect that, but I am extremely happy. I did not expect those changes in hardly 2 3 weeks. I'm very happy. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Sonia ma'am. Thank you, Kavita ma'am.
हाँ, थैंक्स टू द टीचर्स. हम तो सिर्फ आपके साथ बात करते हैं, काम तो करने वाले टीचर्स हैं. So yes, that's kudos to the teachers always. And thank you for such uh, nice feedback. You know, it means a lot because I remember when we used to have our center, it was running physically. Our center in Magarpatta, it used to cater to children from 4 months onwards, infants.
Okay.
So mothers have to get back to work, so they would, we had tie-ups with Amdocs, BNY Mellon, John Deere and all that. So they knew that, we are recommended by the company only in Magarpatta. So we used to start daycare for 4 months. So we used to have all those rockers and mattresses and the baby things and everything. And there used to be a time like, a dozen rockers would just keep lying around. Anytime you come into the ground floor of the daycare center, the upper floor was for the higher kids, older kids. So it used to be a very common thing for us to interact, hold, cuddle, feel, smell infants. So Sonia teacher has been instrumental in managing infants till the time they are 2, 2.5, and now can be handed over to a school teacher. So Sonia
Okay.
teacher is so experienced with such small children that, even in a physical setup, she used to be the go-to person for any parent also. Can you tell me what's going on? Can you tell me how she's doing and things like that? So if Sonia teacher is doing a child's class, you don't have to worry at all. And then comes Saida teacher. She has been a nursery teacher for the last 3 4 years now. Uh, uh, she's done the physical schooling also with us. Now she's done the online schooling also with us. So if you are looking at teachers here, you're looking at teachers who are coming with experience.
Right.
And they have actually dealt with this particular age for a very, very long time. So they understand how the mother also feels when they're handing over such infants to us and walking away. That's a very big thing of trust for us. We used to remember and we used to discuss that 5 months. I mean, forget about us taking care. Look at that mother having so much trust in us. So our responsibility simply, multifolds. So yes, Vinigira small, Novika small. Oh, no worries, no worries. They will all grow up beautifully. These will be experiences that you will remember. कि तुम्हें पता है जब तुमने स्कूल शुरू किया था ना, there was something called as online school. तुमने उससे स्टार्ट किया था. बाकी के बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं, तुमने घर से स्कूल किया था. Yeah, so that's how it is. So good, good. Novika's mom, again, you and I have spoken, but I don't think we met face to face. So at least virtually we are here. Please go ahead, share with us your experience, any feedback, concerns, anything.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Richa Sharma.
Good afternoon.
And my Novika is like 3.5 years old. Like she is above 3 years of age. So when I first attended the session with Novika, so I was like, "Arey, सारे kids तो छोटे लग रहे हैं Novika से." uh, like other Novikas के जो classmates हैं, they are looking smaller than her. And if you can, मतलब if you will ask the Sonia teacher, her response, मतलब she always, good morning teacher, okay teacher, she always talk very much. I have to keep my phone on mute because she keeps on talking. So I was like, my concern was that only little much, ki like, but she loves to attend the class. Whenever I say to her, okay, it's class time, we have to get ready. She without throwing any tantrum, just she took the bath and get ready for the class. And she always asked me, Sony teacher kab aayegi? Sony teacher kab aayegi? And when like ek do classes mein Sony teacher nahi aayi thi, Saida teacher aayi thi, then no, she is not my teacher. Kids are so used to a Sonia teacher. Like उनको Sonia teacher ही चाहिए. It's such a little time.
Oh, no. Let her talk. Let her talk. She knows that you're talking to us.
Yeah.
They have made a bond with Sonia teacher very beautifully. मतलब online भी इतना अच्छा bond बन गया है. That is also big thing. Only thing is that कि उनके लिए prayer ना थोड़ा सा बहुत वो लगता है कि what we are singing. There certain poems they like. Hey Bhagwan, they like. Novika to keep on that poem. And certain prayers तो उसका ऐसा रहता है कि and join कराने को मुश्किल हो जाता है. But ठीक है, it's online and we can't force them, so we don't ask them again and again.
नहीं, वो भले ही 5 मिनट ही फोल्ड हैंड जॉइंट्स करे तो उतना ही काफी है उनके लिए, जस्ट टू नो दैट when prayer starts we need to join our hands. That is the main basic thing we intend to teach the children. तो पूरा टाइम प्रेयर खत्म होने तक भी नहीं करेंगे तो भी चलेगा.
मैंने ज्वाइन क्लास इसलिए किया था because know so many thing about like whatever a preschooler nursery kid should know. She knows so many things, but she should know कि what is teacher, मतलब how a classroom setup is, what are मतलब friends कैसे होते हैं. She don't मतलब उसने कभी interact ही नहीं किया था kids से, तो she knows how to interact. मतलब she should know कि whenever she will go to the physical school तो उसके लिए all of a sudden एक बहुत big drastic change ना हो atmosphere में. So this is the main thing. I have started this class, online class for her, and
Good.
I'm glad. Like
Good.
right now, it is all going very well with her, and I'm happy that they are on the her day there is different activity for the kids. So kids also मतलब look forward कि आज क्या करेंगे हम लोग, आज बाउल मिलेगा क्या हमको, आज सर्कल शेप मिलेगा या फिर आज कुछ tearing activity है. So this is good. I'm happy with that thing also. Because kids
नहीं अभी तो रुकिए, अभी अगले हफ्ते से टाइम टेबल भी आएगा, फिर टाइम टेबल फॉलो करेंगे. हम बस पीटीएम का वेट कर रहे थे.
Good for them. मतलब they should know what is like time table setup होना चाहिए proper कि हम पहले prayer करते हैं and then we do this thing, then we got a break. So it's good, ma'am. I think I have taken a right decision.
Good.
Like inform करा के.
Good. That's nice. Thank you. Yes, Vihas Papa, anything that you would like to share, ask, say, any concerns, anything that you would like to speak about?
Good afternoon, teachers. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, about Viha, yes, it's a very new and different experience. She's just completed 3 years. So, uska last 2 years, like she is in home only, so she has not interacted with anyone. और उसका अभी ये this is the age where she should go out and play with other kids and stuff, right? So she should learn how to interact and everything. But यही age में, due to this pandemic, she is like alone, staying and entirely in home, seeing only parents all the time. तो उसका भी थोड़ा frustrating था. And this very good that we started her this school, though it's online, but at least now she is seeing different faces. She is starting to do things. मतलब कैसे interact करना है, how to do prayers, how to do different activities. और भी उसकी age के child she is able to see on screen. तो I think उसका वो जो थोड़ा frustration वाला part था, वो थोड़ा reduce हो रहा है because of this. कि now she is able to see कि बाकी बच्चे भी है उसकी age के, they are also doing these things. So that's very good. We started very late, I guess. We started just a week before we has this school. Because I was not pretty sure. I think we visited the campus also, premises also, with Viha and her mother. But we were not sure कि उसकी एज के बच्चे कैसे ऑनलाइन ले सकते हैं. That was the only concern that I had. कि ये ऐसी एज है जहाँ पे वो लोग 5 या 10 मिनट्स भी एक जगह पे नहीं बैठ सकते, right? So how she will able to attend the entire 1 hour class? That was my biggest concern. So we delayed it, but ultimately I said we have to do it. I mean, आज नहीं तो कल, this is inevitable. So and anyway, head over heels we have heard a lot. I'm in Amdocs. My wife is in Amdocs, so there are so many colleagues who recommended us. So there was no question of choosing. It was all about timing when to start. But after we started, I think it's pretty good. वो 15-20 मिनट भी बैठ लेती है. That is like an achievement for us in front of mobile and doing the activities and stuff. So yeah, I think the start is very good, and hopefully they will learn to sit for continuously for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and give attention and those stuff. Then yeah, it will be very good. I have just 2 suggestions. First is regarding prayer. So every day we are having different prayer, right? So my suggestion would be, can we continue the same prayer for like 10 days or 15 days? तभी they will be able to understand. मतलब उनको meaning तो right away पता नहीं चलेगा, but उनको ऐसे याद रहेगा. So this line comes, it is a prayer, and we need to follow this routine. तो उनको थोड़ा याद भी रहेगा, and they'll be able to connect with the same if we are following the same prayer. That is one. And second thing is related to the breaks that we are having. So I mean, yes, of course, ये एज के बच्चों को ब्रेक लगता है, but the only thing is like child like Viha, उसका attention जैसे ही एक बार ब्रेक हुआ, she is not coming back. तो ये usually every day होता है कि after a break she is not coming back to the desk. उसको लगता है कि now we are done, now we can play and everything. So I think we can keep like an optional. We can continue doing some things, and whoever wants, they can take the break, but the attention should be there. तो उनको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि ना अभी स्कूल खत्म हो गया है और हम जा सकते हैं, उस टाइप का नहीं लगेगा. Maybe at that time we can put some video or something. तो उनको लगेगा कि नहीं, school is still on and we cannot go away. Only if they want some water or they want to go to toilet, that's another case. But इस टाइप के child के लिए I think we need to keep something on, so they'll keep paying attention. So I think that's it from my side. But otherwise everything is good, and we are very happy how the things are going on. Thanks a lot for
cool.
we are very
For prayer, actually, we have started a school prayer, right? Now we have
Yes.
started school prayer from yesterday. Viva was not there for prayer.
So
So Yuvika, Neha, we have sang a school prayer, God loves. So that will be continue for full year. Like, so they come to
yeah,
know,
we
like
were
end of
actually
the year, they
yes,
they
we were
learn the
actually
prayers
waiting to
also.
start
And
from the syllabus. Yes. Timetable. Yes.
Okay.
So now we will continue with only
Okay.
one prayer, our school prayer.
Okay, yeah.
See, the
And
prayer is just an opening part of the session. So a
yes.
prayer is something we do across all grades, all the way up to grade 7. And it is just an opening part. Why do we do a prayer? Is simply because one, it gives some vibrations inside of your body, whether you say it or you hear it. And the other is it gives that little bit of focus, even if it is like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, before we have to start a focused activity. Okay, so prayer is something that we would like to start with, and then we will go on. Now, for so many days, we knew that children were going to keep coming in, they were going to keep coming in. So even in future, if children are going to keep coming in, but the first month is always taken more like an icebreaker for the teacher to start to understand the rapport with the classroom as a group, कि किस किस को क्या क्या ठीक लगता है, क्या क्या नहीं ठीक लगता है, ये ट्रायल एंड एरर करते हैं तो ये यहाँ पे फिट बैठता है क्या, because the class is still a group dynamics, right? The class is not like an individual child, it's still a group dynamics. So something that works with one child may not work with the other child, something that works with this child may not work with the third one. So we just need to see around and do all those balances. So the first month in June, even if you went to a physical school with us, there'll be so many different things that we'll be trying out with each child, because we want to know that child more and more and more. Now from July onwards, today, Sonia teacher will be sending across a timetable to you, that this is what is the planner for the rest of the year. We will be following this planner. So आज के दिन rhyme होगा, आज के दिन art होगा, आज के दिन FMS होगा, GMS होगा. So ये एक planner है. Okay. And coming to what Viha's father had mentioned, that when they are on a break, don't let them know it's a break, let them put on a video. Now, why do we need to give breaks? In a online classroom where the screen is on for so long, okay, we need the child to compulsorily take a break, okay, because we don't want them to keep looking into the screen for so long. Now, telling about myself, I've been in PTM since morning 7 o'clock today. Okay. This is pretty much the last one for today, but we've been in PTM since 7 o'clock in the morning. And by now I can feel the discomfort in my eyes because I've not had a minute of moving away from here. Okay. I have a UV screen and here also I have all that and everything. But these children are too tiny. They should not be looking at a screen beyond 10 to 15 minutes. And that too, only because this is an online system. We do not have a choice. If it was a physical school, I have always been telling parents, keep your children away from gadgets. They need to be out and about. But unfortunately, since the system has come to a situation like this, where schools are at a standstill, they need to take break from screens. वरना school खत्म होने के बाद वो TV देखते हैं. Again, another flat screen, but still a light throwing screen. So it is not good for their overall nerves and little veins which are around this space. Okay, so they need to let it rest and they need to move out. You need to sit with them in the balcony, look out at far away things. That's a kind of an eye exercise. You might want to just play it as a game with the child. कि चलो चलो उस पेड़ के ऊपर वो एक लीफ तुमको दिख रहा है क्या? You just point out at anything and say anything, but try to get the child to focus on something far away every day, at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, morning ho, evening ho, early morning ho, doesn't matter. But children, आज के तारीख में ये हाल है कि हम बगैर स्क्रीन के रह ही नहीं पा रहे हैं. Parents be busy है. Don't have to feel guilty or feel bad about it. Parents are also busy. We understand that. So no blame game or anything. But take a little time out that the child is looking at something far away, okay, and going there and trying to pinpoint it, even within your house. If you can put a colorful ball in the kitchen, far away, and you make your child stand in the balcony and say, go there and get that. Okay? Initially, you will see that वो लोग भागेंगे, तड़मड़ के पहले पैर उसको kick करेगा, then they will run after the ball and then pick the ball. But over 10 days of doing the same thing, their focus is going to improve, their leg coordination will improve, that they will not first kick the ball, they will know where to stop and then pick the ball. So do these kind of eye exercises, hand-eye coordination with them. And I'm sorry, but I'm going to say we will need to take the break because it should be done. I do tell parents that even though your child is just 2, 3, 4, take your children to an eye doctor every 6 months, because your child is now going to be in an online classroom. Your child's eye need to be tested. Okay, so definitely take your child to a ophthalmologist and not to a regular chashme wala jo niche computerized checkup karega. नहीं. Take them to a proper eye doctor. Even if he is not a pediatric eye doctor, that's okay. Take the child to an eye doctor and get them checked. They will not sit. They are not expected to sit. But the doctor's job is to check it. So let the doctor do it. Okay. So let us encourage breaks. And I have, I mentioned to Nihira's mom earlier also that children always learn with consistency. They have to do something over a long period of time to know that this is how it will be, because that's how their physiology sets in. So gradually when she sees that break है, break के बाद अच्छा timetable है, इसके बाद आर्ट क्लास है, तो चलो जॉय बॉक्स में से टीचर ने बोला है रेड कलर रखो और एक आर्ट पेपर वाला लेके जाओ, ग्रीन कलर जो तुमको कलर चाहिए वो तुम लेके जाओ. Okay, teachers also have the same art kit with them, so they can also say that get this fluorescent green color. You tell her ये fluorescent green color लेके जाना है. Let them bring it to the class. Okay, so tell her that she will learn it gradually over time with consistency. Children in pre-primary are always going to learn with excessive consistency as compared to older children. So they will get there. Don't worry. We are all here to do things in favor of the child. Okay, and we have, I would definitely say, a longer amount of experience with handling lot of infants and pre-primary children. So we will definitely ensure that all your worries are discussed and you are comforted with it. I don't want to tell something just because you have to follow it. No. You should be convinced with what I'm telling. Then we can take it ahead. As a child counselor, that's my duty, that we work together in favor of the child. So I'm sure we will follow into the system. Give her any change, they say psychological terms, they say change takes about 4 to 6 weeks. Okay. And whether you're going to change your job, you're going to change your house, you're just newly married, everything is going to take about 4 to 6 weeks is the minimum time they say. Maximum का कोई limit हमारे books में भी नहीं mention किया है. Minimum 4 to 6 weeks mention किया है. इतना time को तो एक बच्चे को भी देना बनता है. So we will give them that and we'll give them as much time as needed. We are confident they will come back because Saida teacher and Sonia teacher will be there in the class. They will keep calling the kids back into the class. आ जाओ, time up. देखो मैं क्या दिखा रही हूँ, देखो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. Come. I think आज सावी नहीं है. So they will definitely come back. Don't worry. I am seeing Nubika for the first time. कितनी मोटी बिंदी है. What a big bindi or mama's bindi you're wearing. I'm not wearing bindi. You're wearing mama's bindi. No, your bindi. अरे वाह, nice big one. अच्छा है, बड़ा बिंदी है. Nice.
Nice.
Oh, that's sweet. Nuvika, तुमको कलरिंग करना अच्छा लगता है? अरे वाह, ऑफ कोर्स, ये भी कोई पूछने वाली बात है. तुमको हाथ गंदा करना अच्छा लगता है? चलो, ये भी हाँ हो गया. ओके, तुमको पैर गंदा करना अच्छा लगता है? नहीं. ओके, ठीक है. तो नविका, हम कुछ ऐसा करते हैं that from next class, okay, we will do something new and different. कुछ नया और अलग. Ready for it? Oh, okay. That was an easy yes. Thank you, Novika. मुझे लगा तुम कुछ सवाल पूछोगी, but no problem. Thank you. Thank you कि तुमने हाँ बोल दिया. इजी हो गया. आप तो देखना सोनिया टीचर और साइदा टीचर क्या क्या अभी तो तुमको होमवर्क भी देंगे. तुम देखना अभी तो तुमको बहुत सारा होमवर्क भी मिलेगा कि स्कूल के बाद भी बैठ के करना पड़ेगा.
ऑलरेडी कल
चलेगा?
दिया है कविता टीचर, कल ऑलरेडी दिया है होमवर्क.
And she was not
बिग गर्ल हो गई है क्या? ये बिग गर्ल हो गई है क्या? होमवर्क सब कर रही है. टू मच.
Do you want to make a circle?
No. Triangle.
Why?
She want to make
Triangle.
a try.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Cool. Okay, sure. Thank you very much, parents, for your time. And we will continue to have monthly PTMs with you. Okay. So if you have any, going forward, all PTMs will be a one-to-one. The first, we always used to look to have a group PTM. After this, all PTMs will be like a one-to-one, where we can discuss about your child. Any concerns you have, you can raise that. But even otherwise, the WhatsApp group is there. Any concerns you have, even which is non-academic, or it is behavioral, or it is something to do with the child's food habits, behavior habits, discussion habits, speech habits, don't hesitate to write to us. We can always have a one-to-one and not have to wait for the monthly PTM. If you think something needs to be discussed immediately, we can always do that whenever you are having time, and we can catch up virtually. I hope that's okay. Yeah, thank you very much for your time. And kind act जो है बिहा का हमें मिला था, बिहा का ही मिला था, right? वो watering plants वाला, right?
Yes, yes.
आप लोग
Yes.
break से आए थे, हाँ. So please वो बच्चों को encourage करिए, करते जाइए. Kind act ऐसी चीज है जो एक virtue हम जितना जल्दी सीखते हैं, उतना वो हमारा habit बनते जाएगा. It will become as good as brushing our teeth. You don't need to really mention that it needs to be done. It will just become a practice. So children at this age, when they start learning kind act, and now that they know that teachers are going to also appreciate it, please start posting. We are asking for one act in a week, at least. But if you can send one act every day, we are more than happy with it. Because your child is actually looking to inspire hundreds of children by looking at your child's video or photograph or write-up. So when we post it on our school's page or other social media, your child is actually inspiring many more children when those parents watch these videos. So make sure that your children are becoming inspirations. Let them know that other children are learning from them. Let them feel good about these virtues. It's good to learn it at an early age. So keep sending us your child's videos. Even if the child just took their first spoon and put it into their mouth, it's a beautiful experience. Record it, send it to us. We would love to enjoy it. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful
Thank you.
weekend. Hope to see you soon again.